Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to do a demonstration about my OSS project, which is hardening process and scanning tools. My first in your Ubuntu. After that, after you install, you can use sudo linux audit system to run its command, and it will show like this. The Linux system will show the warning if bump me if not is not installed, fail to ban. We show security scan detail, which is hardening index, which is uh, average standard, and it show test perform. The Linux checks 268 different security items such as file permission, firewall, SSH setting, password policy, running service. For software component, each is activate, while my malware scanner are not installed yet. Is Linux, which is I need an IP address from my Ubuntu, which is this one. Next, to perform for nmap minus an IP address. This is the information that we get after the scanning, which is nmap can identify open ports, determine running service and version, detect operating system, and discover network vulnerability. We can also use different scanning techniques such as TCP, connect scan, SYN scan, and service version detect to allow nmap to gather detailed information about network device and service. This is the command line. IP address. As we can see, the NATO has found a missing security header at here, frame option header. It's not present. Also, information disclosed via innotes, which is here. Also, allow HTTP method information gathering at here. Now for the hardening part. The first hardening process that I will use is system update and patch management. System update and patch management are important hardening technique used to fix security vulnerabilities in the operating system. The command that I will use is sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade -y. It will take quite some time to do it, and it will show like this. It protect against malware and exploit and improve system stability and security. For the second hardening process that I will do is configure firewall UFW. The I will use this command. Uh, the second hardening process that I will do is configure firewall UFW. I will use this command to configure my firewall. Sudo UFW default deny incoming will set default policy for all incoming traffic, which means it completely lock down your system from the outside world. Sudo UFW default allow going will set default policy for all outgoing traffic to allow. This ensures that your system and application can freely communicate out to the internet, while sudo UFW enable turns the UFW firewall on and apply all the rules that I have just configured, which is it will block everything by default and allow the server to talk to the internet. To use is file to ban, which is we need to download it first. And we need to use this command. Enable. For the third hardening process that I will use is going to use is file to ban, which is first we need to download it. File to ban. After that, we are going to use sudo then we need to start it. File to ban will monitor login attempt and block all suspicious IP address. It will prevent brute force login attack and automatically bans malicious user. Lastly, for the fourth hardening process that I'm going to use is password hardening policy. I will going to go to this command. Inside this and change the password requirement at here. Good. Minimum equal to 12 is reject any password shorter than 12 character. Uncredit minus 1 require at least one uppercase letter. Decredit -1 require at least one digit. I credit 1 require at least one lowercase. And I'm going to save it. The configuration will reduce risk of brute force attack and improve account security. That's all from me. Thank you.